Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to get started with today's home cleaning lesson with you all. Let's do this.
I survey my apartment. I survey my apartment. I tie my apron. I tie my apron. I dust the shelves. I dust the shelves. I wipe the mirror. I wipe the mirror. I vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. I remove the cushion covers. I remove the cushion covers. I scrub the bathtub. I scrub the bathtub. I spray the cleaner. I spray the cleaner. I rinse the tiles. I rinse the tiles. I dry the bathroom floor. I dry the bathroom floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I mop the kitchen floor. I mop the kitchen floor. I soak the dishes. I soak the dishes. I scrape the pan. I scrape the pan. I drain the sink. I drain the sink. I polish the faucet. I polish the faucet. I toss the trash. I toss the trash. I organize the pantry. I organize the pantry. I replace the trash bag. I replace the trash bag. I fold the blanket. I fold the blanket. I fluff my pillow. I fluff my pillow. I change the sheets. I change the sheets. I arrange the books. I arrange the books. I decide the doorknob. I decide the doorknob. I empty the recycling bin. I empty the recycling bin. I refill the soap dispenser. I refill the soap dispenser. I hang the fresh towels. I hang the fresh towels. I freshen the room. I freshen the room. I inspect the clean room. I inspect the clean room. I rest on the sofa. I rest on the sofa.
Finally. Amazing! You just practiced home cleaning sentences. Subscribe for more English practice. See you next time!